See, yesterday we were discussing one question. No? In the previous question, the positions of blocks A and B. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That means you have the previous figure, I think. What he says as per the question is B is this is A. So C. Now this is the hanging part.
Sir, that is A, sir, in place of B.
Hmm?
In place of B, that is A, na, sir.
Read the question. In the above question, positions of blocks A and B. That means it's interchanged. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
The question is that briefly go what you have done. You got acceleration negative. That means it is not possible. Remember that's what we learned now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear? Now here let us check for these type of problems what you will do. Assume that B and C move together. And the common acceleration. After that, we'll find that common acceleration. So you can take this, suppose this is going down. Mass of A is given, man.
430, sir.
Right. Let's assume that they move with a common acceleration. Now you can frame the equations. So here you have tension 4G. Now I'll frame the equation. This is the tension. So T equals Tn is the frictional force. Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed, sir.
So here any mu is given. Previously any mu is given, man.
No, sir, we found out, sir.
You have to find out, huh?
Yes, sir. Last question also we found that mu, sir. 0.5
Huh?
we got last question.
Okay, you got 0.5, huh?
Yes, sir, in last question.
Okay. This is 0 point. What is the conditions of this? Okay, initially the coefficient of friction won't change, no? Coefficient of friction is a material property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we'll frame the equations. One is 4g minus t equals 4a, and t minus total mass is how much, man? 3 plus 1, no?
2 plus 2, sir.
B and C, 4. This is a normal reaction, no? Do you agree with this? From this, can't you get this A? We'll, okay. This one, from this we can get T. 4g minus 4a. Substitute in this. 4g minus 4a minus 4 mu g is 4a. Get A. Is it correct? Quotient of friction is same, he is saying. Is same for all contact surfaces is giving. That means between B and horizontal, A and horizontal, C and horizontal, C and B always it is same. And that we found it as 2.5, sorry, 0.5. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now let us check what is the limiting friction between B and C. Between C and B will be how much? Mu, mass of B is 0. This is 5. How much it is coming? 2, 10, 1. Okay, 5, 10. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us see, draw the free body diagram of C. We have assumed that this goes with a common acceleration. Okay, so which drives that frictional, So for this, F is what? 2.5 into mass of that, 5. This is less than limiting, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed? Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
So we can say that hence B and C will move together. Agreed?
Agree, sir.
Understood this? So we have acceleration. How much you got? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Yes, sir.
1 lakh, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
This friction, why I am making to do so many problems in each chapter, is linked with next work for an. Because work is nothing but force dot displacement. Friction force is also a force. Again, that will ask concepts related to force. Just now you are seeing how vectors are useful, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Can I turn this?
Yes,
Now let's get back to another question. Suppose we are having a block on a block. This is 2 kg. This is 4 kg. This is a plane surface. You are applying a force F. So here understood this?
Understood, sir.
Find minimum value of F. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see if you take this as surface 1, because this is trying to move like this, friction will act like this now,
Yes, sir.
and on this it will be like this. It should be here, just for clarity's sake, I am showing like this. Okay. Now this is trying to push the lower block, so friction will be in which direction? F2. Do you agree with this? Any doubt? Now,
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
right. Now after that we can check up the limiting friction for 1 is, oh, this is 2R. Just to avoid confusion, we'll take this as 2. This mu2 is given, again confusion will start. This is mu1. So FL1, if you take mu1 into the total weight, 0.1 into 6 into 10, and FL2 if you take 0.2 into 2 into 10, 4. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear or not? Now you can see which is more. You can observe this FL2
Yes, sir.
is, now you can see, that means can 4 kg block move? Do you agree with this? Any doubt?
No, sir. No.
Understood this? Now you can see 2 kg, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that 2 kg block, now will it slip when? Slips
If F is
on
greater,
4 kg if, what is the condition?
F is
F
greater.
attains F2, no?
Yes,
What is FL2? 4 newtons. Understood this or not? Clear?
yes.
Now, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the solution for part 1. The next part, any doubt?
No doubt.
Second part you can see, anyhow, see, FL2 is only 4 and FL1 is 6. These are constant. You can see that FL2 is less than FL1. Therefore, 4 kg will not move. Even if F is made equal to 6 newtons. Because these values will not change now, these are material properties. Hello. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means anyhow acceleration of 4 kg will be same 0. Now he says that this is 6, it seems. When you are applying F is equal to 6, definitely this is greater than what FL2 know. Therefore, this will be slipping. Now you have FK2. FK2 is nothing but what is that? Mu2 into 2 into G. That comes to again this. So this is the acceleration of 2 kg block. So you have F minus Fk2 is 2A2. F is 6, so this is a 4 to A2. What is A2? 1 meter per second square. Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you got acceleration of 4 kg as 0, 2 kg is 1 meter per second square. Is it not easy, man?
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir. This is it.
I'll discuss here the paper doubts. Wait, let me complete small part. Then next week syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
One
Update
minute.
that.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Completed, sir.
Right. Now let's proceed for the next problem. The same question, we'll just slightly change it. Right. So, as you know that this is the friction. So this is the friction on this. So now find out the limiting values. Mu1 is nothing but mu s. That is also equal to mu k1 only, no? So obviously limiting frictional force two plus 3 into G 5. Similarly, FL2 mu into 2 into G. Do you agree with this? Follow this? Then the next one is, we'll assume that the blocks will move together. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then what is that common acceleration? 5 plus 10 minus by 2 plus 3. Fk1 is 5 by 5, that is 2 meter per second square. They agree till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Right. After that, we will see whether this is possible or not. Let us consider the upper block. You are applying a force of 5 newtons, and the maximum friction of this
Sir, can I please meet a mic?
is equal to, it is 2 kg, no?
Yes, sir.
What is F2? So now this is less than its limiting value, no? So
Yes,
our
sir.
assumption is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So we can say that the conclusions we can make is both blocks move together with common acceleration of, the second one is friction between 2 kg and 3 kg is how much you got? 1 newton, because they're moving together now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the last part is friction between 3 kg and the ground is nothing but Fk1, that is nothing but 5 newtons. These are the three things we have proved. Do you agree with this? Find the
Yes, sir.
acceleration of the blocks, find the friction between all contact surfaces. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's continue with the next. Shall I turn this page?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1. Completed, sir.
Let's go ahead to the next problem. Let us slightly complicate this. Now on this, and on this you have, we call this as A, this is B, this is theta. See, the coefficient between this is mu, between these two. There is no friction here between capital M and C. Now you can see that is released. Observe that mask undama. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, A and B move together is saying as per the question.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, sir, can you please explain that? That's what I didn't understand.
Pardon?
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Sir, can you please?
No, no, when you leave this, the system falls down with a common acceleration. No? They are moving together, man. What is the
Yes,
net
sir.
force on this? Net
Ah,
force on this is how much?
M plus
M
M.
plus M into G sin theta.
By m plus 1. That is the acceleration, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, small m, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, small m is subjected to a pseudo force, no?
Yes, sir. One pseudo force.
Okay? This is small m. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Now, therefore, because this is g sin theta, so this has a pseudo force, no?
Yes, sir.
Maxwell, okay?
Mg sin theta.
Now, due to this pseudo force, the pseudo force can be resolved into two components, no? What
Yes,
are
sir.
those?
Mg sin theta cos theta.
This is theta only, no?
Yes, sir. Mg sin theta cos theta. Mg sin square theta.
Previously, even this resolution you felt difficult or not?
Yes,
Remember
sir.
those?
Yes, sir. Very
So
difficult.
slowly, if you do, you'll improve. That's what I'm saying. See, because of this tries to pull like this. So in which direction friction will act, man?
So
Leftward.
Do you agree with this?
yes,
And
sir.
on this, it will be like this. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let's draw the free body diagram for each one. Only thing you need is patience. Nothing else is needed to get a seat. Mg sine theta cos theta. Visible? And you
Yes,
know
Yes, sir.
this is
and this is
mg sine square theta. This is friction. This is a normal reaction. This is mg. Any other force is there here? Now come back to this.
M is equal to mg cos square theta.
This is normal reaction. Agreed. And you can see apart from that, there is a force of friction on this. Then there is a normal reaction between this inclined plane. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Because there is another plane here now. So this is the normal reaction between this. Then what else is there, man? That's all.
Yes, sir.
And
mg.
understood the free body diagram? How essential free body diagram now you are following or not?
Yes, sir.
Now for the upper block, I can frame n is upward. Okay.
Sir, n is equal to mg cos square theta, sir.
Hmm.
Mg cos square theta, sir.
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir. Normal force is equal to total, sir.
Why?
I am saying.
Mg is there now.
Yes, sir. Total, sir. I am saying the
Oh, that
mass
one now.
answer.
This is what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Now again you have friction because there is no motion now. M does not slide now. Agreed.
Agrees.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No.
So see. Limiting friction now. You know this now?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Mu n. Substitute that n value here. See what is that you are getting. Tan theta is less than me. Am I right?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree or not? Understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
okay.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh, please. Any doubts, man?
Sir, so then what will be the addition?
Pardon?
Sir, what will be the addition? Sir, given value, we have to write theta less than tan inverse mu as
No,
it is.
that's all, no? Find value of theta is saying. So what is the maximum value of theta is equal to saying. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
You return this.
yes,
Sir.
sir.
We give importance to the analysis of the question, man. How we are going ahead with the question. As you go on, see, remember when you are a kid, you used to take only mother's milk. Okay. After that, mother started you to feed you solid food. So first time when she kept that solid food, you literally you spit over that. You did not take inside. You used to spit that. After some time, you got acquainted. Now you are able to eat any creature available in air, land, or water. Now that is means you have become a master of eating. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So any irritation starts beginning. That is called inertia of doing particular thing. Inertia is a gift given by God to test our patience. God always troubles you. He wants to see whether, like a game only, it's God's game. A ball is in hand, we are throwing, a batsman hits, again they run. That is only a game. Why should he throw the ball? He can keep the ball inside. Similarly, God gives you both troubles and happiness. How this fellow is overcoming troubles. That is the test. So even IIT is also the same thing, a test given by God. How these fellows are kicking up. Having irritation, pain, not concentrating or trying to adopt for easier methods to get a seat, like sleeping on the bed without working, just listening the videos. All these are okay. I won't observe. Parents may not observe. God is observing. No? Sincerity, 100%. You will become an IIT. Pray God regularly. Otherwise, what is the fun in praying, man? When God doesn't help you, but He helps to whom there is a condition. A person who is sincere at work. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
That's what I spoke to officers. I told even one fellow also, if he's sincere, is enough to get a seat. Right. Shall I go ahead? So, note on this.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Noted.
both blocks are small m.
Both are small amounts. There is no friction.
Sir, can you please move the page little sideways? Thank you, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Now you can see that the whole system is moving now.
Yes, sir.
So you have external force on system, total mass of the system into acceleration. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us show the free body diagram of the small m. Now small m is in which frame, man?
It's a non-initial phase.
Acceleration of this is nothing but a towards right, no?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, it is subjected to a pseudo force or not?
So, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Actually, block M is not moving over.
Pardon?
So, actually, block M is not moving with respect to that triangular block, no, sir.
A is, this is A is not moving on B. Okay. Then?
So, there will not be any pseudo force, no, sir.
No, remember that pseudo force means if any block is on another block which is accelerating, that means they should have a common acceleration. Then there will be a pseudo force. You are standing on a bus and bus is moving. You will be pushed backward. That is pseudo force. Okay? Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
So remember that when pseudo force will be there when there is a mass on another frame and that mass is also accelerating that of the frame, then there will be pseudo force. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Right. So here this is pseudo force. What else is there, man? Pseudo forces. This one is the tension.
In this beta downward. Uh, then down the plane, normal force and NB force.
This is the force of friction. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is theta. So here you have
MA cos theta. NB sin beta.
normal. Do you have? And of course, there is another force. What is that?
NG cos theta.
Okay. And you can see that this is F. Okay. If you draw the pulley diagram with a string, so this is T, this is T. You take a small part of the string, this is F, this is T. Rope is massless now. So you have F minus T equals 0. F equals T. Any doubt is there in this part? You can ask. Hello.
No doubt, sir.
One doubt, sir.
Tell.
Along the direction of force now, sir.
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
What do you want?
The force is along the tension is along the direction of force now, sir. So F plus T now, sir.
No. If you take one small part of this rope, why actually the rope is not being cut? Because there is a tension in the opposite direction, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tension opposes that, no? Somebody is pulling your hand. Why your hand is not coming? Because there is a tension. The nerve system, the muscles will be attached to your body. They only get tense. That is what we say. That's why after some time you'll feel that pain, no? Am I right or not?
Yes,
You're
sir.
right.
So don't take components. Jasim, the other day you're asking a doubt, no? Followed? Don't take T cos theta equals F. That is wrong actually. See, remember the concept we learnt is when the rope is massless, pulley is ideal. Tension will be same on both sides of the pulley. That is what we learned now.
Yes, sir. That is what we know.
1 second. Done. కొన్నాడు నాకు కాళ్ళు నొప్పి పెడుతుందంటే పగుళ్ళు ఎక్కువ వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి వాడు నెట్ అన్ని చూసుకున్నాడు ఎయిట్లెస్. హలో, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pardon?
You can go ahead, sir.
So now for this, it is not moving now. This is a free body diagram of M, that is A, with respect to what?